Now we will show you how to collect the ECU data to CAN box. Let us start. Firstly, connect the CAN box cable to the instrument and ECU, 12 voltage, CAN, canal and GND, connected to the corresponding port. Hold down in key, LED 1 from flashing to always on, and start to collect data. Until the RxD light always on, data collection is successful. Release in key, data collection is ending. Disconnect the cable, turn on the power of CAN box. Let the cable offline and wait. Instrument power off for 15 seconds. Press Alt key, LED to lighting. Connect the cable to IPC. Finally start the data playback mode.